click on the subscribe button and remember to press the bell icon for regular notifications from our digital blogger. Hello friends, welcome to our digital blogger. Today we are going to review Astha Trade. It's a discount broker. In this review we will be talking about multiple aspects including company background, pricing, brokerage, trading products, trading platforms, customer service, and a lot of other features that can help you to figure out whether Astha Trade is a good enough stockbroker for you or not. Let's get started. So Astha Trade is a discount stock broker based out of Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. It's been around since 2005 and it is known for high exposure or leveraged value across segments, especially intraday. But the concern is they don't really have any focus whatsoever when it comes to the in-house trading platforms. Trading products, however, you can invest and trade across equity, commodity, currency, derivatives. Not so much of a list there. So if you're looking to invest in IPOs or mutual funds, well, Astha Trade won't be able to help you in that. If you talk about trading platforms, this is one gray area in this case. Although they have presence across multiple devices, be it the mobile app or a device or a desktop-based solution or a browser-based application, but the quality is one gray area. So we'll talk about all of these one by one. We'll start with the mobile app, and for that we need to Google Play Store. So Astha Trade's mobile app is called Astha Trade. It's rated at 3.7 by around 90 users, and out of those, around 29% of the users have rated this app negatively. Overall satisfaction score stands at around only 71%. The last update of this app was done on 5th of July 2016, and the app has been installed by only 5 to 10,000 users. Now this video is being recorded in June 2017. It's been good 1 year, almost 1 year, that this app has seen even one update. Big concern there for the clients, for the users who are trading using this mobile application. You will actually lose out on a lot of opportunities while you're using this application. Now there were some concerns raised out by the clients. The concerns about this mobile app are around the app is very basic when it comes to the number of features. The UI is very bland. It's not user friendly at the same time, and in case you're using this application on a regular basis, you will be logged out. And finally, the performance, the application speed is also very slow. So from multiple aspects and from multiple corners, this application is certainly not recommendable for any particular type of a trader or investor, be it a beginner or a regular intraday guy. You are not supposed to use this application if you're looking to make some profits on the market. So let's talk about the other trading platforms offered by Astha Trade and see whether any of those fit good to you. So when we mentioned at the start that this particular stockbroker has a limited focus when it comes to in-house trading applications. Now look at these trading platforms offered by Astha Trade. The number one is Audinite, which is a terminal-based software. Well, this is designed, developed and maintained by Financial Technologies. This is outsourced in nature. Astha Trade has just licensed the use of it and it's providing it to the clients. Now, if you talk about the performance, it's good. Number of features are also good. Quite a mature application, but user experience certainly needs a lot of improvement. And if you are a client and you have a feedback or a comment regarding any of the feature, you will not be able to get it fixed because Astha Trade does not maintain the application by themselves. They will probably forward or transfer your request to the developers team of Audinite or Financial Technologies. But other than that, you will not get quick turnaround time at all. Then there is iWin mobile trading app. It's very basic. In fact, it's very outdated at the same time. It's being developed and designed by Financial Technologies and they probably are not even updating it anymore. So it's certainly not a recommendable software. Then there is Financial Technologies web trading software. Now this is a browser-based application from the same technology company, Fintech. Again, Astha Trade has got the license for its clients and they are using it. Relatively, quality-wise, this is a better application. Number of features are good. It's highly secure at the same time, and it gives you multiple types of orders to use. And since we talk about user experience, number of widgets can be used within the same workspace. As you can see in the screenshot here, multiple types of widgets are being added up to the same workspace. That makes the overall analysis process very easy. Then there is NSE Now, again a browser based application, no need to download or install anything. This is developed and designed by NSE team itself. So another sort of offering from Astha Trade. Then finally there is the NSE mobile app. So in case you are not happy with Astha Trade's mobile app, you can use the mobile app from NSE. Now the problem with all of these trading platforms is the same. Whenever or whatever concern you have, it will not be resolved quickly enough. Probably it will take a lot of time, and by then you might have shifted to some other broker. So from trading platforms perspective, they certainly need to figure out that they need to provide some in-house solutions rather than depending on outsourced trading applications and taking away no responsibility whatsoever when it comes to providing good, decent trading experience to the clients. Next up is pricing. Well, if you're looking to open an account with them, you're supposed to pay 650 rupees, 500 is for trading and 150 is for Demat account, and the maintenance charges is placed at 300 rupees every year. So at the upfront you are supposed to pay 950 rupees, which is pretty expensive from a discount broker especially. Now when it comes to brokerage, although they talk about that they are a discount broker, but then they have a percentage based commission model running for their clients. So delivery is 0.1%. For other segments, let's head to ourdigitalblogger.com. So in other segments, in delivery it's 0.1, intraday it's 0.01%, future and options at 0.01 and 10 to 30 rupees depending whether you're buying or selling. So all of these values are pretty okayish in nature, but then they are percentage based. Well, when it comes to discount brokers, generally the brokerage is flat rate. However, in this case it's not the way it's happening. Then there are transaction charges. Now this is a big shock. I'm not using the word surprise, it's shock. Now if you look at the industry standards, any particular stockbroker of your choice and compare the values they are charging with what values is being charged by Astha Trade, one by one. Now equity delivery, now if you look at this value here, generally this number is generally given by SEBI. You cannot go beyond this legally. Now what they are charging is 0.00490%. This prescribed number from SEBI is 0.00325%. Similarly, it's 0.0023% or 22% here, 0.05 something, 50% here. So in any particular segment you pick, almost double or probably 1.5 times of what our industry standards are, and Astha Trade is charging way higher numbers. Now by percentage this might not look big to you. We're saying 0.00 something. Well, when you talk about 6,000 crore or 7,000 crore daily turnover, and when you calculate that percentage with the actual number, you will figure out what numbers we are talking about here. So you have to be very sure, talk to this guy, talk to the executive of Astha Trade and understand why they are charging so much, and if they have a rational, and I'm very sure they will not have a rational answer to this. So in that case you have to negotiate and make sure you are not paying these values at all at any particular condition. This is a big no. And then if we talk about exposure or leverage, well, this is one big advantage, and that is why clients fall for Astha Trade and other stockbrokers such as Semco. Now what they do is they give you 40 times of exposure value. That would mean that if you have a trading account balance of 10,000 rupees, you can trade up to 4 lakh rupees. Now where this 4 lakh is coming from? This money is coming from the trading account balance of other clients. Why would any stockbroker would put in his or her own money? And that's not the way it works. They will not put their own money. This money is being just triangulated among other stock traders. If you have, let's say, 5 clients, all of them have put in 10,000 rupees, total capital with the broker is 50,000 rupees. In case only one of them is trading and he wants exposure, he can get 5 times exposure because 50,000 rupees is the total trading capital available with the stockbroker, and that is the way it works. It's very risky, so you have to be very sure how are you using it, and in case you don't understand the way exposure or leverage works, don't put your hands into it. It can be very concerning at the later times. However, if you still want to use exposure or leverage values of Astha Trade, you can go ahead and pick out these values depending on the segment you're looking to trade in. And finally, if you want to talk about positives and negatives of opening an account with them, so Astha Trade gives you high exposure as the positive. We've been talking about this. There are some risks involved as well. When you talk about negatives, the brokerage is kind of confusing. It being a discount broker still charging you a percentage value, it's concerning. Then we talk about the trading blocks. It's very limited. You can only trade and invest across 3 or 4 segments. And then when it comes to trading platforms, well, there is not much of a focus at all in developing the in-house trading platforms from Astha Trade. Big concern for clients. And finally, the transaction charges are for some reason super duper high, and you certainly need to talk to the executive to understand why. Now, if you're looking to have a word, what you can do is check out this link, digitalblogger.com/Astha Trade, open Demat account, put in your details there, and we will set up a call back for you absolutely free. However, if you want a stockbroker that matches exactly with your requirements, or you want some help in finalizing the best stockbroker for you, what you can do is check out this other link, digitalblogger.com/free call back broker choice, put in your details, and you will get a call back very soon. So that is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching it. We hope you liked it. In case you did, please go ahead and press the thumbs up button. We'll really appreciate that. You can also subscribe to our channel, A Digital Blogger, at YouTube for similar videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching the video again. Bye.